Well, today we're looking at a couple of knockoff Lego sets. So these are by Brick, and these have appeared in a UK store called Home Bargains, and I think they were like £15 each, but if you buy two, you get two for 24. So what attracted me to them is obviously this is a knockoff version of the Razorcrest from the Mandalorian. I'm not sure this one, if anyone recognises this, let me know in the comments. Is this a Star Wars starfighter? Is it from something else? It might be they just put it in, it's their own sort of design on the back of the attack vessel, and this one's a starfighter. So what we're going to do is open them up, have a look what's in them, build them up. I won't show obviously the building, you've seen that before, and then we'll come back and see what they're like. So let's pop this one over here, see what you actually get for your £12, oh, 2 for 24, so 12 quid. I haven't opened these yet, so I really should have brought a knife with me. One. Show you the box actually. So they're moulded in chrome, although yeah, it is a chrome. Pardon me. This one's 364 pieces, that one's 382, so you get slightly more, but it looks like it'll be smaller pieces. The box is very sort of generic, it's the same picture on both sides. It's got, on the back it's got unbelievable chrome detail, I believe it. Rear opening cargo door, so I think that's going to be the only sort of feature. I'm not sure whether that's something in there or whether that's a shot through it. I don't think you get any people with it, but we shall have a look. So what do you get? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags, and an instruction sheet. Not quite as big as a Lego instruction sheet. Let's have a look. Oh, that's good. It lists all the different parts, so you could go through, open them all, and see if you've got everything. So it doesn't look like you get any figures in it. Oh, they're colour instructions as well, so looks fairly simple. I think I've had these brick by bricks before. It was quite a simple build. So yeah, so you get full instructions. I imagine it's going to be about that big, judging by the parts and if they equate to Lego, which they usually do. Yeah, so no interior by the look of it. The other one, I won't show opening on camera because obviously it's going to be similar things, but we'll come back when they're finished. But let's just have a quick look. So you get a mix of chrome grey parts in each bag. There's a little one of small parts. So it looks like they've separated them out. I don't know whether the instructions, the bags are not numbered. I think it's going to be a case of you have to pile them all up and then hope for the best, see if you can find it. But let's get this built up and then come back and see what they're like. Were they worth 12 quid? Well, I've made up the kits. They went together okay. Some of the bricks are a little bit loose, not quite got the grip that Lego has. So if you're going to make these up for display or to, for kids to play with, I'd probably do a bit of gluing, especially this one. This one is really loose. The way that the wings are held on this one underneath is very delicate. Pardon me, a bit of a throaty voice today. So the Razorcrest, I really like this one. I think it's quite good. There's not many features. You've just got an opening hatch on the back. The chrome's very nice. You have got a couple of opening side doors on both sides. I don't know if the model had that. There's no sort of cockpit inside. You do get nice landing gear on this one, and it's a decent size. These need gluing on. They just literally, they fall off just looking at them, as you can see. So I might do a bit of gluing on these, otherwise I think you're just going to lose stuff. This one I actually quite like the design of. See, just bits fall off of it. It's got an opening canopy. It's got a basic cockpit inside. Again, I don't know what it's from, but it's quite a nice design. Got pipes and things and some landing skids, but it's just so fragile, this one. I'll probably break this one up, put it back in the box, to be honest. The, what would you call them, exhausts are quite unusual, and it's all hinge stuff, and that bit's just fell off. But yeah, on the whole, for 12 quid each, I think you can't go wrong, especially the Razorcrest. You get a couple of them, keep one in a box, build one up. But yeah, they're available in Home Bargains. They're in their Christmas offer, so I don't know, I'm presuming they probably won't last too long. Be nice if they did some other unlicensed Star Wars vehicles. An X-Wing in this would be good, but it's worth it, I think, just for the chrome. The chrome effect does look nice. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these sort of budget brick kits, let me know. I've got quite a few. And please like and subscribe if you can. The subscriber rate is going up quite nicely, but it'd be nice to get to that 2,500 mark. We also have a Patreon, Imar Models Patreon page, so if you want to support us, there's various little extras you get. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then, bye.